Hey guys, Raj Sanger of Car Security. Welcome back to the channel. I've got 3 cars behind me, all up for sale. Let's talk about these 3 cars, shall we? So let's start with the Mustang here. Now I've got my clipboard with me because there's a lot of information about all 3 cars and I don't want to miss anything and I don't want to get anything wrong. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Each one of these cars have already been featured on the channel. In the description below, you'll have separate links to each car. Right, let's start with the Mustang. So this is a Ford Mustang V8. It's the 5-litre version, so it's the big boy version, and it was registered in March 2016. 2 previous owners on this car, and we purchased it in October 2016. So we've had it for a good 6 years now. Engine is stock, so it's about 415 brake horsepower. It's a magnetic grey colour, and we've got these black Go Faster vinyl racing stripes. Suspension wise, obviously, it's slammed on the floor as we do. So you've got airlift performance, 3P suspension on the car, and you've got these amazing Rotiform WGRs. They are 20 by 10.5 front and back. Other than that, bar the exhaust, the car is stock. So exhaust wise, we've got an exhaust which was fabricated by EMP Performance, and that's a catback system with an X-pipe design. So right guys, let's talk about the interior. Now you've got this lovely sort of chocolatey brown interior. It's actually called Saddle. Audio wise, we've replaced the stock system with a Kenwood DNX 9180, top of the range flagship unit. It's got CarPlay, it's got Android Auto, it's got sat-nav built in, Bluetooth DAB, and in terms of speakers, right, there's a lot of audio equipment here. I'm going to keep it brief. So up front, we've got Rockford Fosgate T4 6.5-inch components. In the back, we've got Rockford Fosgate T2 6.5-inch components. Maybe I just start this car up and give you a bit of an exhaust note, because this car does sound beautiful, and then I'll show you what's in the boot. You ready? Nice V8 burble. Now listen to that. That does sound sweet. Let's show you what's in the boot. Guys, let me show you this boot build. That is one epic boot build. So we've got a custom boot build here. We've got a Rockford T1 12-inch subwoofer there, 2 Rockford Fosgate power amplifiers, airlift performance management with hard lines, and we've got a tank which is hidden underneath the build, and we've got screen here and 2 speakers. You may ask, why do we have these? Well, this is a show vehicle, so when we do rock up to a show, we open the tailgate, we open the doors, you've got loads of audio that comes from inside the car and from the boot section, and you've got a screen which we can show you the kind of products and services we sell and provide. So this car actually is booked in with Ford main dealer for a service, and I think that's going in next week. So by the time this episode goes out, it's possibly already been serviced. I'm not going to talk prices just yet. I'll talk about prices at the end of the episode. Right, let's move on to the Porsche now, shall we? Porsche 911 997 variant. This car is registered in 2005, November 2005. It's a Carrera 2S. Now the S is very important because it means it has a 3.8-litre engine. There's not many Carrera 2Ss out there, so don't get it confused with a stock 997 Carrera 2, which are also great cars. We bought this car in February 2021, and we've done a fair amount to it. It actually came with a factory aero kit, which again is very, very, very rare. The aero kit is the front bumper and the rear spoiler, like you get on the 997 GT3. The rear bumper we've had changed to a brand new Porsche 997 GT3 bumper. It's an official Porsche part purchased directly from Porsche Reading. The exhaust has also been changed because you've got obviously twin exit exhaust in the center of the bumper. The exhaust was fabricated by Dave from Overkill Performance. He's done a fantastic job, and this car does sound naughty. I'll give you a demo in a moment. Suspension wise, we've got KW Variant 3 coilovers, which are fully adjustable, and you've got these epic Rotiform 20-inch TUF-R wheels. They are 20 by 8.5 on the front and 20 by 10.5 on the rear. Didn't want to get that wrong. And you've got Michelin tires, plenty of tread on those tires. She does look pretty. So inside we've got these beautiful leather grey seats. Fantastic interior actually, you know, it's very, very clean. We've got an upgraded stereo, so we've got Kenwood DMX 8020 DABs. It's a 7-inch CarPlay unit with Android Auto, DAB, Bluetooth, wireless streaming. Absolutely brilliant stereo, and that's married with the stock speakers, which are the Bose speakers. We've also changed the steering wheel, so we've got this Momo Mod 07 steering wheel, and we've got a proper Momo Boss kit there as well. So, yeah. And finally, the gear lever and the handbrake handle have been retrimmed, and they do look pretty as well. This car was serviced earlier this year in April by Northway Porsche in Reading, and it's got less than 54,000 miles on the car. So I'm guessing you guys want to hear the exhaust. Well, let's go for it. So this is with the valves closed. Doesn't sound too bad, you know, it's not too noisy. Now let's open those exhaust valves. Ooh. That sounds naughty. Right guys, let's move on to the final car, which is our BMW F80 M3. Okay, finally, our BMW F80 M3, which we purchased in January 2017 in this amazing color called Saphir Orange. Underneath the bonnet, the engine is stock, so it's a 3-litre twin turbo. So that's good for about 425 brake horsepower. We are actually the second owner of this car. The previous owner, the first owner, was actually the BMW dealership that we bought the car off. This is not stock suspension, obviously, sitting on Airlift Performance 3H suspension, and you've got these amazing Rotiform forged LASR wheels, 2-piece monoblock, brushed satin silver. They've actually just been recently refurbished by Ellie over at Voodoo Motorsport. They are absolutely mint. So we have changed the exhaust on this car. It's a Remus non-resonated catback system. It retains the valves, so you don't need to be driving around in full ASBO mode. You can drive around like a nice BMW driver. Carbon bits, we've added some carbon bits. So you've got the front bumper inserts, you've got the rear spoiler on the boot lid, and you've also got the carbon diffuser around the exhaust. From stock, you've got the carbon roof. Let's go inside. I'll show you the interior, and I'll talk a little about the audio, and then I'll show you the boot install. So let's have a listen to this Remus exhaust. So this is valves closed. Non-ASBO mode. Sounds like a BMW M3 exhaust. Now if you press the M2 button, the valves open up. Ooh, that is full on ASBO mode. That sounds naughty. Now finally, let me show you the boot build. This is actually a very impressive boot build. All of the work on the BMW, the Porsche and the Mustang has been done in-house. Now that is very impressive. So you've got a 10-inch P3 Rockford Fosgate subwoofer, you've got a Rockford Fosgate PBR amplifier, you've got the airlift manifold there, you've got the compressors, and you've got 3 carbon dipped tanks. Very, very neat install, and we actually have a little cover which sits on top, which allows you to use the boot area so you don't damage or scratch any of the hard lines. Now that's all 3 cars covered. Let's talk money. Right, so let's start with the Mustang. So a stock Mustang 5-litre V8 with about 40k miles. Our one's got 37,000 miles. Roughly online, they're about 28 to 30k, in between that sort of price range. Our car, with the airlift suspension, the wheels, the exhaust, the audio, the security, the boot build, it's probably about £15,000 worth of additional parts. We're looking for £35,000 as is. Now, the Porsche, as is again, the cheapest Porsche 997 C2S that I found online today is at £39,000, and that's got 80,000 miles. Ours has got, from memory, less than 54,000 miles. Bear in mind, this car's got a factory aero kit, which is very, very rare. With the KW suspension and the wheels, which, you know, those alone are £4,000. We're looking for £40,000 for the car as is. And finally, let's get on to our F80 M3. So, again, looking online today, a stock BMW F80 M3 with about 30,000 miles. It's somewhere in between 32 to 35,000 pounds. Our car, and bear in mind, the wheels alone are 6,000 pounds. Yes, 6,000 pounds. Then you've got the airlift suspension, 5,000 pounds. You've got the exhaust, you've got the audio, you've got the security, you've got all the carbon bits, you've got the boot build. That's probably about 20,000 pounds worth of additional parts. What are we looking for? 37,500 pounds, again, for the car as is. Now, although I do say as is, all of the number plates belong to car with security, so the JBL plates will be removed. There is no finance outstanding on these cars. Now, if you're interested in any of the cars, our details are down below. Telephone number, email address, support@cardisecurity.com. You can DM me, Raj Sanger 911, or you could DM Car Security. So yeah, all three cars are up for sale. We will be replacing all three cars with new cars for 2023, demo cars for promoting the products that we sell. If you know anyone who's looking for a Mustang, a Porsche, or a BMW, share this video. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you know when another episode drops. If you want more information, description below. Each car has a separate episode on the channel. Click on that link, watch that episode. If you need any more info, email, phone, DM. I'll see you again soon. Viraj drives cars into trees. So we don't let Viraj drive any of our cars. Is that correct, Viraj?
No, I think you got that wrong.